We knew we were gonna die there, bro.
Yeah. What?
There's not gonna be windows in here, just regular stuff. And then I was thinking basically it goes right here, corner of that, and then it goes down. Like staircase. Where? Well, I was gonna put my bed right here. I was gonna put bed here, and then like. Well, it's supposed to because okay, you wanna see what happens? There's nothing. That's fine. We can do that.
Guys, that was 40 to 80. 40 to 80.
Alright, Keegan, what do you want to do? What do we need to do? Oh, hey, I went to the nether. Oh yeah, there's villagers waiting for you. I went to the nether for a split second to get that soul sand, and we spawned literally it's like 2 blocks away from the nether.
Run!
We can literally outside.
Huge run! Huge run!
This guy's gonna run!
Booyah! It's unfucking believable.
Wait, Ryan.
Did I install Soggyware? Is Soggy doing it? I just did 25 to 100.
Did you?
Great, and my keyboard's doing that right now. Like, oh my god, if I didn't break my keyboard stand, it wouldn't do that. I'm done. I'm fucking done! We knew it. We knew it was gonna fucking die either at the green orb or right here. And guess where we died? Right there!